So you're heading into 2 different salads that you could use with just blanched fiddleheads. And before we go into those recipes, we just have a couple of things when you do go to prepare fiddleheads that you have to remember.
Right, and the first is you have to cook them. Fiddleheads are beautiful, they're lovely, and they're crunchy, and they're green, and you think, oh, I just want to munch on this. Don't.
No, they look like they've been blanched here.
Yeah,
and these are raw.
These are raw, and you cannot eat raw fiddleheads. They will make you ill. So they do need to be blanched. So even the ones that we used for frying were blanched before we fried them, and then the ones that we're going to make in the salad have been steamed. So that's really important.
And you steam them for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then you can let them cool for colder salad, or then, have a warm salad. But, fiddleheads do grow wild, and so a lot of friends of mine have their secret places where they go fiddling, but it's on private property oftentimes, and there's a lot of other considerations to be made when it comes to foraging fiddleheads.
So Joe went actually foraging for some of our fiddleheads with a friend of ours who picks them. And I bet he's got some Joe ways about doing fiddlehead picking.
Great.